Liam was a young builder working on a grand cathedral. Every day, he carried heavy bricks, laying them one by one under the scorching sun. Weeks turned into months, and the work felt endless. Tired and frustrated, he thought, "Why am I doing this? No one even notices me." One evening, as he sat exhausted, an old man approached him and asked, "Why do you look so discouraged?" Liam sighed. "I work so hard, yet I feel invisible. My efforts don't seem to matter." The old man smiled and led Liam to the front of the nearly completed cathedral. "Look at this magnificent structure. Every brick holds it together. Without your work, this wouldn't stand." Liam's eyes widened as he saw the beauty of what he had helped build. The next morning, he returned to work with a renewed spirit. He wasn't just laying bricks, he was creating something that would stand for generations. Every small effort contributes to something greater. Never underestimate your role in success.